This is my Roper washer by Whirlpool. It would get to the spin cycle and stop, and it was full of water and would not drain. So here's how I fixed it. First I unplugged it, turned the water off. Once I dipped the water out, which you actually don't have to do, you can find this switch right here, and you've got the safety switch activated there. And what happened is this switch, once I took those two screws out, you can push the bowl over to get access, and you can pull it out. And what happened is there's the dark gray plastic and the light gray plastic. There's two halves, so the switch was not activating and would not let it go to the spin cycle. So where it had separated, I wrapped some duct tape around one way and then around the other way, and so now it will activate instead of being split in half. So now all I have to do is put it back up in there and replace those two screws with the screwdriver and plug everything, turn everything back on, and we'll be good to go. So that's how I fixed my washer with duct tape. Hope this is helpful if anybody else has the same problem.